Today on Max Mini Gadgets, we're cooking a whole chicken with crispy skin, rice, and mixed vegetables in our Instant Pot. And we're going to be using this Tyson 6.4 pound chicken. So let's get started. Okay, before we start cooking our chicken here, we're going to have to season it up some. So let's make a little rub here. I'm going to put some salt in there. About half a teaspoon. Some pepper. A little bit of garlic. About half a teaspoon. Some onion powder. Again, about half a teaspoon there. Some thyme. Just a sprinkle there, maybe half a teaspoon there. A little bit of paprika. There you go. Now we'll just mix that up a little. That's good. Now we're going to just flip this guy over. Just like that. Make sure he's nice and dry. Pat him with a paper towel. I did this a couple times now, but it seems to always come back a little bit of moisture. Okay. Now we can spritz that with a little bit of oil. Help things stick a little. You can rub that around. Get in all them little nooks and crannies. Alright. Now we just add our seasoning. Rub that around. Now this is on the bottom, so. Alright, that looks pretty good. Okay, let's flip it over. Now this will be the top. Add a little more seasoning. Get them drumsticks. Now save a little bit so we can touch it up. Okay. Now we're going to tie these legs together. Okay, let's tie our legs together. Put a little loop around there and pull it tight. And we'll put this one in another loop. Just like that, and we'll just pull them tight. And we'll tie them up. Alright, that's pretty good. Okay, now we just put this chicken, the whole chicken, right on one of these trivets that come with your Instant Pot. Just like that. And you can pick it up real easy. Yep, looks good. Alright, now all we have to do is get our pot and get ready to cook. Okay, now we'll open up the Instant Pot. And we're going to put a cup of long grain white rice in there. Yep, 1 cup. Now we just add a cup and a quarter of chicken stock or chicken broth, whatever you have. Put that right in there on top of the rice. Give it a little stir. Now we just add our whole can of mixed vegetables. Give that a little stir. They should release a little bit of water there, so it'll help out our rice. That'd be good. Yeah, now we just put our whole chicken right in on top of all that good stuff right there. Just like that. There you go. Now all we have to do, put the lid on and set it, and I'll show you that. Now we're going to set our Instant Pot to pressure cook for 20 minutes on high, and hit start. Okay, the Instant Pot has got 20 minutes on the clock, and it should be done cooking the rice and vegetables in 20 minutes, and I'll see you in 20 minutes. For you, that'll be just like this. For me, I'll see you in 20. Yeah, you know what it's time for, don't you? I think something cold to drink. That sounds good. Looks like we got 1 minute left on the clock here. Oh, that's the end of the cook time right there. Okay, so we just hit cancel now, because that 20 minutes is up. And now all we have to do is do a quick release, and we'll check our rice, and we'll temperature probe our chicken, see what it is. Now we'll just hit the button on the back of our Instant Pot and do a quick release, let all the steam out. Okay, pin drop. Okay, let's open the lid and take a look. Okay. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check our chicken with our digital meat thermometer. Alright, now I'm better. There we go. Okay, we're about right here. Right about, yeah, we're close here. It looks like we're about 164.5 in the thick part of the breast, and like down here next to the drum, yeah, okay, yeah, we're pretty good. Okay, let's see if we can get that chicken out of there for a minute. Okay, and we'll take a look at our rice and everything down the bottom there. See how it is. Oh yeah, look, it looks good. Now all we have to do is plate that up so that we can set up our air fryer. So I'll bring you back when we do that. Okay, let's see if we can get our rice out of here and our mixed vegetables. All right, that looks pretty good. Let's get it all out so we can put our chicken back in there and air fry it up. Yeah, I wish you could take a look at that rice. If you could smell that rice with that chicken bouillon and broth in there with the chicken drippings from that whole chicken, yeah, I think I might just have to have a little taste real quick. You know, let's give it a sample. Yep, you're definitely gonna like this one. Okay, let's set up and get ready to air fry the chicken. Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put this, while we're air frying, I'm gonna put this in the microwave on the keep warm cycle, the setting, and that would be really good. Let's do that. Okay, now let's set up our pot. Okay, let's put our chicken back in there. Just like that, and we're going to spritz it with a little bit of oil. And we're going to add a little more of our seasonings. Remember them ones that we saved? There you go. We're going to put them right on top. I might as well add them all. Okay. Make sure we spritz them with a little bit of oil. Make sure everything sticks. And now we put our air fryer lid on. Just like that. And all we have to do is set it. Okay, to set our air fryer, we just hit air fry. And we're gonna do 30 minutes. We can always stop it and check it halfway. And this one we can go to 425, I think. No, 450. Yeah, I don't know about that one. I'd rather do it a little bit slower at 400, see how we do. All right. And we hit start. And there you go. Okay, it's starting to cook. The timer is set. 30 minutes on the clock. And I'll bring you back when it's just about 15 minutes and we'll take a look at it and see how it is. For you, it'll be just like that. For me, I'll see you in 15. You know what I think it's time for, don't you? Something cold to drink. Yep, that sounds good. Okay, it says 15 minutes on the clock. Let's give her a check. See how it looks. Okay, that looks good, doesn't it? Okay, let's put the lid back on and finish cooking for another 15 minutes. There you go. Okay, we got 14 minutes on the clock. And we'll give it another test. Well, it looks like we got 16 seconds left on the clock. Counting down. So we're gonna take a look at it together here. It smells wonderful in the kitchen. Wish you could smell that. Okay, it's the end. So let's cancel that. And we'll take a look at it. Okay, let's take another temperature reading here. 173, 4. Oh yeah, it's definitely done. So now all we have to do is plate that up here and take a look at it. And boy, does that look good, or what? It's definitely crispy on the top. All right, let's get our chicken out of there. Oh yeah. Look at the juice running out of that. That's perfect. Yeah, we're gonna look at that. Yeah, but you should smell that. It's really wonderful. Okay, let me get you a better view and we'll serve it up. Get our rice out of the microwave. It's staying warm. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, does that rice smell good. It does smell good. Spread that out a little. I'm gonna put the chicken right in the middle, so. Okay, that ought to do it. Now let's see if we can get this beautiful chicken. Right there. On that rice. All right, let's go for it. Oh yeah, look at that. Does that look good or what? You see that? There you have it. Look at that chicken. I wish you could smell that. That's really tasty smelling. All right. All right, let's see if we can cut our string. All right. Piece left over here. Okay. There you go. Now it's got to rest for a little bit before you start carving into it, but man, is that ever good? Let me see if I can let you hear this. You can't really hear it, can you? It's crunchy. Got a nice crust on there. Beautiful. All right, I'll give you a better view. Look at that chicken. Man. Wow. You're talking good here. Okay. Well, we'll carve him up a little bit here, and we'll see how he is. All right, let's see if we can get one of these drumsticks off here. Okay, there we go. There we go. Ah, yeah, look at that. That is so beautiful. All right. Now let's look at take a little test of the breast here. Oh yeah, you see how moist that is? Look at that, how moist that is. There you have it there. Man, is that good looking? All right, we just gotta have a little taste. Well, that's not a little taste, but I'm gonna show you. Look at how juicy that is. You can just see it. It's perfectly done. Oh man. Oh yeah, that's delicious. Nice and moist. Fall apart and yet moist. And what can I say? That is so tasty. Alright guys, there you have it. An Instant Pot whole chicken with crispy skin and rice with mixed vegetables. Now you can't beat that right there. Let me take a little peek. Look at that. Let me spin it around. Yep. Nope, you can't beat that there. That turned out wonderful. You're gonna love this one. Yeah. You know what's gonna happen now, don't you? That chicken leg is gonna be going when I turn around. So I gotta keep an eye on it. Plus, I think I'm gonna have a little something to drink, maybe a wine or something. That sounds good.